I'm Lucy and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put fake eyelashes on, and I'm going to be reviewing the Dose of lashes in the style Baddie. I did actually wear these Christmas Day and I absolutely love them and I cannot fault them whatsoever, which is lucky because I've got 3 pairs of them. This is what the style Baddie look like from Dose of Lashes. I will leave them linked down below if you want to know where to get them from, and I just absolutely love this style and think they look so good. I've also got the eyeliners to use to actually glue them on. So I've got the clear one and the black one. The black one is actually the one that I'm going to be using today. Also, I just wanted to quickly mention with these eyeliners, they are quite difficult to take off, so I would recommend an oil-based makeup remover when you are trying to take the eyeliner off, because it can kind of stick to your eyelid a little bit. Don't scrub your eyes because that's just going to make them sore. Just make sure whatever you are removing the eyelash glue with is oil based, like I said, and it will come off a lot easier. I'm going to be using my fingers on one eye to do it, and then I'm going to be using tweezers on the other eye to kind of put the lashes on. These are just bog standard tweezers that I've got. I don't actually have the lash ones. If I zoom you in, I'll show you a little bit better. That's probably way too close. But on my eyes, I've already primed with concealer and I've put eyeliner on because I just wear eyeliner all the time. Hence I'm using the black eyelash glue. I'd stick to clear eyelash glue if you're new and getting into lashes a little bit, just because it's a little bit easier. And my upper eyelash, I've just used like waterline eyeliner on the top, just so then you've not got any like white bits showing, which I just think is so annoying. I'm gonna just start off by putting mascara on and then show you the lashes and kind of do like a before and after and how I actually put them on. So the mascara I'm going to use today is just the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. This is literally my favourite mascara ever. So I'm just going to put that on my lashes, both sides, and then wait for it to dry. I am using a mirror from a makeup thing and look how dirty it is. It's honestly such a state. So this is what my lashes look like. Because my eyeliner is so thick you can barely see my lashes anyway, but my lashes are blonde. But this is what my lashes look like with just one coat of mascara just at the top. I'm not gonna do the bottom lashes until later on when I've actually got the lashes on, but this is kind of just the starting point. Whilst we wait for the mascara to dry, honestly this is so zoomed in, it's a little bit too much. I'm just gonna take the eyeliner. It's a very thin tip to it. It's gonna line the top lash of my lid, and then we will stick the lashes on when it's gone a little bit tacky and dried a little bit. So I have thinly put a line. It is so easy because the nib is so thin, just to kind of add that. So I'm just gonna take the lashes out, make sure you get the right side. So you want to place it in the middle of your lash and then join the corners at the end and then at the front. And then if the front's not sticking too well, you can add like a little bit of glue again underneath it and then just stick it on. Also, if you've got a mirror, point it kind of down and look down, so then you can kind of create the gap between your lashes, and then you can kind of see it a little bit better on where you're sticking rather than looking up and then you can't get over your lashes, if that makes any sense. So you just want to kind of look down, place the lash at the end and in the middle, get it in a rough area, and then just stick it down like that, and then get the corner, push it down a little bit, and then this middle corner bit as well. Once you've done that, I kind of just pinch my other lashes together just so that they blend a little bit, and make sure that it's close to the lash line, and then the lash should look like that. Literally look how much more dramatic my eye actually looks. I do need to add a little bit more glue here because I was rambling a little bit too much before I glued it on. But yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit more glue there, and then like I say, just kind of pinch your normal lashes together just so that it creates that thing. And then also you can close your eye and then have a look that it's all the way along. Obviously this is peeling up a little bit here, but like I say, I'm just going to add a little bit more glue and stick that back on. But I actually love how dramatic these lashes are and what they actually look like. This is what one lash looks like. It makes such a difference, and I feel like these lashes look like lash extensions without the commitment of lash extensions, because I know if I started having lash extensions I would get addicted. I just added a little bit more liner and glued it on. I literally have black here from my little finger from putting it in this like black thing, so I absolutely love that for me. But I absolutely love these lashes. They are literally my favourite lashes, and I don't think I'll go anywhere else for any lashes because I just love them that much. So that is the first lash on, so we may as well go on to the next lash, and I'll show you how I put that on with tweezers. So we're now moving on to this side, and I'm going to be using tweezers. Not like I've just spent the last 15 minutes looking for these tweezers. Instead of rambling, I'm just going to do a thin eyeliner of this, and like I say, because the nib is really thin, it is so easy. You need to start from the middle and from the top, look down at the lash in the corners. Honestly, maybe I do find it easier to use my fingers rather than the tweezers, but the tweezers that I typically use I couldn't find, so I've just grabbed any old ones I could find. That has stuck really well, and look at the bottom just to check that it is all in line. I'm just kind of passing on it just to make sure that it's all stuck together, and then kind of pinch my lashes and the other lashes together just to make sure that they kind of connect a little bit better and you've not got any of that disjointedness between your real lashes and the fake lashes. But this is what the lashes look like on, and I absolutely love them. Look how gorgeous these lashes are. I am actually so obsessed with them. Like I say, I won't be using any other lashes because they are my favourite, and I just think it is so easy to use the eyeliner. Just to zoom myself out. I think it is so easy to use that eyeliner as well as the clear one. Like, if you are going to buy the lashes, I would definitely recommend getting the glue to go with it, because I just love the final look of these lashes. I absolutely love them because they give you that lash extension vibe without the commitment of keep having to get lashes and infills, so your lashes look good every day and you can wear them as and when, and they are so affordable. I will link them down below just so that you can check them out. They do so many great styles on the Dose of Lashes website, but the Baddie ones are definitely my favourite. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have found it useful and helpful. If you do have any questions, please comment them down below and I will get back to you, and I'll see you next time for another video.